naman maraming humaharang,
Oh.
nahihirapan na tayo, maraming nangingibabaw, maraming nakikialam. So, okay lang, hindi na siya nakikinig sa kanyang manang. Pinagbilin kasi yan ng tatay ko, parati sinasabi ng tatay ko, alalayan mo yan, abangan mo yan. So, hindi ko na nagagampanan. Pero there are still 3 years, there is still a great deal to be done, and I hope we do honor to our father's legacy. Yun lang naman.
Are you hopeful, I mean, Senator Marcos, that in the next 3 years, you would be able to work together, dialogue with your brother, build what you had both envisioned together?
Well, we always remain hopeful. I think that's what we're here for.
Okay. On that note, I want to thank you for joining me today and good luck to you, Senator Amy Marcos. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Yes, maraming salamat at sa inyong lahat, konting commercial, sulit senador, matapang at masipag. Talaga naman, sulit senador, 39 pesos only. Huwag ninyong kakalimutan, number 39 sa balota. Ay, may solusyon. Amy Marcos po, maraming salamat.